This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good morning. Welcome back.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. So in Azure, we have a few more concepts, right? Yeah, today we are going to discuss about storage and also user management. How to create IAM user, how to connect using user, right? So two concepts are there. Yeah. So Azure storage. So anyone having any issues on previous sessions? Any doubts? Any questions on previous session?
Yes, sir. Yesterday
Yeah.
I have created storage but not creating, sir.
So your account is activated or not completely?
Yes, sir. My account is activated.
What error you are getting?
Error, nothing I get, but storage not creates.
Storage not created.
Sir, instance not creates.
Instance not created, right?
Can you check on?
Yeah, so you are giving different options. I checked the screenshot actually yesterday. You are giving different options. You have to check that. So I show you how to create instance VM. I show you. Okay. So, but while selecting that VM, you have to select proper size of the instance VM. So because you are using free trial, right? Free trial. So in free trial, that will allow basic mission only. It is not like AWS. Azure is not like AWS. So everywhere restrictions, right? So you have to select proper minimal configuration. Then it will allow you to create. So if you select higher configuration, it will not accept.
Okay, sir.
So end of this session, we'll see you. Okay. End of this session, we check once.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, Azure storage, right? So here we have four Azure storage services: Azure storage accounts, Azure blobs, Azure files, Azure queues, Azure tables, Azure disks. Okay. So these are the storage accounts. So storage accounts here, storage type. So blob one of the storage available, a massively scalable object storage for text and binary data, right? So blobs and files like managed file shares for cloud or on-premises deployments. So files basically we can compare with EFS. In AWS we work on EFS, right? The same way here file storage is also available. And the queues means a massive storage for reliable messaging between application components. So tables. So this basically queues and tables mainly we use for sequential data like banking data, structured data. So instance data, banking data, we use queues and tables. Okay. So and tables, no SQL that store for schemaless storage of structured data, right? So blobs, files, queues, tables. These are the four types of storages available in storage accounts, right? So account types. So standard GPB2, general purpose version 2, premium only LRS. What is LRS? Locally redundant storage, right? So GPB2, general purpose version 2, page blobs, disks available in this, and file storage, blob storage. Right? These are the account types. Right? Yeah. Next one, see here, storage account type, supported services, supported performance tiers, supported access tiers, replication options, deployment, model, encryption. These are the different types available. So first one, general purpose version 2, right? So this storage will support blobs, files, queues, tables, disks, right? Supported performance tiers, standard premium 5, and supported access, hot, cool, archive, and the replication options, LRS, GRS, RAGRS, right? LRS means locally redundant storage, GRS means geo redundant storage, RAGRS means read access geo redundant storage, ZRS means zone redundant storage, GZRS means geo zone redundant storage, RAGZRS read access geo zone redundant storage. These are all replication options available in storage accounts, right? And the deployment model, resource manager, encryption, it is encrypted. You can enable encryption also here, right? So general purpose version 1. So here these are the supported services, standard premium, and LRS, GRS, RAGRS, right? So blob storage, same way. So LRS, GRS available here, and file storage, file only, LRS and ZRS. These are the supported tiers. And blob storage, yeah, blobs only, LRS, GRS, RAGRS. Right? Yeah. Redundancy. What is redundancy? Anyone? Redundancy. Failover. Yes. Replication. LRS, ZRS, GRS, RAGRS. This we can enable. So globally, the data will be redundant. Redundant means it will be replicated to different regions, right? So LRS means locally redundant storage. ZRS means zone redundant storage. GRS means geo redundant storage. RAGRS, read access, geo redundant storage. See here. Next one is replication. So normally when we enable redundancy replication, so the data will be synchronized with secondary region. Whatever data, whatever the user is accessing the data on primary region, that primary region will replicate to secondary region. So if the primary region is down, secondary region will take care of the data, right? Whatever applications, whatever servers we are using, so you can access from secondary region. So when the primary region is down, so user, he will not understand where I am accessing. From where I am accessing, he will not understand. But automatically the failover will be happen from different regions, right? And also blob access tiers. Hot, it is a frequently accessed data. Cool, infrequently accessed data. Archive. So flexible latency, right? And also cost of the storage per GB per month. Hot is $0.0196. Cool storage 0.0100. Archive $0.0018. Right. So these are the things available. Let us go and create one bucket storage. Console.cloud. Portal.azure.com, right? Portal.azure.com. Select your email address. Now search here storage or else storage accounts. See here, storage accounts, or else you can search here storage account. So click on storage accounts. Currently there is no storage accounts available, right? Now I want to create one storage account. Click on create. Once you click on create, see here. So this is asking subscription. Subscription is a account information, right? And resource group. This is our resource group. Select here. Go down here. Storage account name. I can give DevOps West name. And see here performance standard premium. So standard is recommended for most scenarios, general purpose version 2 account. Premium recommended for scenarios that require low latency, right? So here these are the redundancy. So you can select GRS means geo redundant storage. See here locally redundant, geo redundant, zone redundant, and a geo zone redundant like this. Okay. So by default it is selected geo redundant storage. So now click on next here. Yeah. Now advanced. So security, right? So enable blob public access, enable storage account keys access, different things are there, right? And also version, minimum TLS version, and data lake storage generation 2, different things are there, right? No need to select anything. Hot cool also, tier you can select hot only. Click on next here. Networking. So network access, enable public access from all networks. If you click on this, it will allow you to, yeah, it will allow all access, right? Now click on next, data protection. See here, enable soft delete blobs. So data will be enabled, yeah, days to retain deleted blobs. So 7 days. If you give this, if you enable this, so after 7 days, whatever you are taking replica sets, replications, right? Replication data that will be removed. Encryption. If you want to enable encryption, if you want to protect your data, can enable the encryption. So when you enable the encryption, it will save the data in encrypted format. So now click on tags, tag name. Click on next, review. So you can review your data here. After that, click on create. Once validation is passed, you can create the storage account. So once we create the storage account, inside of the storage account, 4 options are there. I'll show you them. Containers, file, use, tables. 4 options will be there. Now go back here. See here. So this is storage account. Storage version 2. Click on this. See here. Resource group, location, primary, secondary location. See here. So yeah, see here. East US, primary is East US, secondary is West US. What will happen? Between these 2 regions, data will be replicated. So when we select a geo-redundant storage, it will show you 2 regions. Data will be replicated between 2 regions, East US and West US. If one region is down, nothing will be happened. Data will be accessible, right? Now subscription ID and disk state available, and here yeah, different options are there. So blob service, security, networking. Yeah. Now, so this is our storage account. Instead of this, we have data, storage, so containers, file shares, queues, tables. Four options are there, right? So these tables are used for sequential data, banking data, right? So containers we can use as S3 bucket. Files, file shares we can use as EFS in AWS, right? So containers we can, yeah, you can create now containers. Click on containers. Currently, no containers are available. Now I want to create one container. So this containers we can compare with the S3 bucket. Okay, click on container, container name. Click on create. See here. So this is the container. Click on this. Right. So this is container. So if you want to change access level, you can change. And if you want to diagnose and solve problems, basic troubleshooting you can perform here. Okay. So I'll show you how can we perform basic troubleshooting. Click on diagnose and solve problems. Click on this. See here. Common problems. Common problems means see here. No health related issues found. View resource health dashboard, right? And no changes to this resource in the last 72 hours. Authentication and authorization, troubleshoot. Connectivity issues, you can troubleshoot. Firewalls and virtual networks, you can troubleshoot. Data migration, deletion and recovery, issues with SFTP, right? So lifecycle management, like this basic troubleshooting you can perform. For example, connectivity issues. Okay, click on troubleshooting. To show you something here. See here. Tell us more about problem you are experiencing. Choose options here. So you can choose the issue so that they will give you basic troubleshooting, basic resolution. So here connectivity issues after enabling storage firewall, dropped or terminated actions, connections, and yeah, see here like this. Whatever options you have, if you select that, they will provide some solution, basic solution, not real solution, basic solution. Okay. Now go back here. Click on container. So now if you want to upload any data, click on upload. So files, click on this. You can select any files here. Click on upload. The file is uploaded here. Click on this file. Yeah. Now, if you want to change the tier, you can change the tier, right? So if you want to download the file, you can download from here. Now, so versions, if you want to enable, you can check the versions of your data. Snapshots if you want to check. Currently not enabled, right? And edit if you want to edit something here. You can edit, generate SAS, right? Like this. Click on overview. So this is the URL. So if you want to share with anyone, this you can copy this URL here and you can share with anyone. They can use this URL to access your data, right? From any region, anyone can access this data, whatever data you upload into the container, right? So this is this is mainly for project data. We save project data, PDF files, video files, image files, and also spreadsheets and ISO image like packages, so software packages like the Java package, Git package, whatever packages, right? So this we can compare with S3 bucket. In AWS we have S3 bucket, right? The same way here we can create container, right? Yeah, next one. So if you want to create file storage, see here file shares, click on file shares, click on create file share name, here transition optimized, hot, cool. So whatever you want. Hot means frequently accessed data. Cool means so infrequently accessed data, right? Whatever you want to select, you can select and click on create. Once you create that, the storage will be created. So whatever file formats you want, whatever files you want to upload, you can upload here, right? Yeah. Fine. Any questions, anyone? Clear, right? So next one more concept we discussed here. 1 second. Before that, I want to clear this first. Okay, please go on. Yeah. Next one is we discuss about IAM, identity and access management. So what is IAM? In AWS we discussed and GCP also we discussed, right? What is IAM? So in real-time projects, we don't use root user. We always use IAM user. So this is yeah, when we join into the project, we get one user which is IAM user. So IAM is mainly for user management. Yeah, when new user join into the project, we can create one account, IAM user, and we can provide to the user. So by using that IAM account, they can access the console, Azure console, right? Yeah. So here, let us go to console. Here, one option is there, which is not available in GCP and AWS also, which is Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory. See, in Azure Active Directory, you can create the users here. But this Active Directory is not available in AWS and GCP, right? So if you want to create any user in Azure, you can go to Azure Active Directory and we can create the users. From here only, you can create the users. Okay. So now, see here, to overview. So here we have different options are there, and preview features, diagnose and resolve problems, and click on users. Okay, users. So when we click on users, whatever users already created. So here these are showing, right? These are the users available in my console. I want to delete this user. This is not required. Now I want to create one user. Click on new user. So click on create user and username I can give DevOps user one. Yeah, see your name. I can give same name here and full first name. Which one? Unique name you have to provide. Custom name. Yes, yes. So by using this, DevOps user one at this is the email address. Like this, you will create the user. By using this, you can access the console. Auto generate password and let me create the password. I want to select second one. I can give custom password. Now click on, see here. Now job information, job title, I can give DevOps. Department, we can give IT. Company name also you can give something here, whatever you want to give, right? So click on create. Once you create this, once you click on create, one user will be created. See here, DevOps user one is creating. Click on this user. See here, this is the username. If you want to access the console using this username, so this is only the user you can use, right? Yeah. Here we created the user, but we haven't give permissions. We haven't assigned any roles to the user. So now if you want to access, it will not accept, it will not allow you to access, right? So if you want to modify any, if you want to modify anything here, like your personal information or else department or manager name, employee ID, so whatever you want to modify, you can modify here. So contact information, authentication, contact information. So whatever you want to modify, you can modify. And also if you want to reset your password, user password, okay, you can reset password. So if you want to revoke session, you can revoke. If you want to delete user, you can delete here, right? Now, so I want to assign some roles to the user. Click on assign roles. So currently there is no roles here, right? Now I want to add some roles, add some assignments. Click on this. See here. So application administrator, application developer, different roles are there. Authentication administrator, Azure DevOps administrator, billing administrator. Like this, you can add some roles here. Access administrator, global administrator. Like this, whatever you want to add. Click on add. So once we click on add here, so it will take you a few seconds, few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes it will take to assign that roles here. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes, the roles will be available.
Active Directory groups like this, group policies.
In real-time projects, we use Active Directory.
What exactly they keep using the word in office?
User management, complete, yeah.
Active Directory means user.
In Windows servers, we have Active Directory. So in that only users will be created.
What if group policy is settings there?
Group policy means, for example, if they want to enable any services, special services, they can create one policy in the Active Directory. That will be affecting the group.
All the servers,
Groups.
all the groups. Something will be the group.
Yes. So if they want to apply permissions to users, they don't apply to individuals.
So
They apply to groups. That will be effective
all the
all the users.
Okay.
Yes. Like yeah, allow, deny, or else different access,
See that.
read access, write access, whatever.
Because there will be thousands of users, they don't want to do individually.
Yeah, individual view. So we can
If
write.
something goes wrong, also if they give a mistake, super user access, it will go to all of us.
Even though sometimes what will happen, for example, in our previous project, for example, any VPs request to give bypass access, for example, we bypass that.
Quick access, complete access.
Bypass means it will not move to that group actually. So proxy will not be affected. So whatever proxies are available inside of that, it will not be added into that. It will be bypass. So even though if you bypass, group policy will be changed. Sometimes what will happen in real-time projects, as per the VP's director's request, we give some access, bypass access. So that will be available whenever he restart the laptop. That will be changed again. The policy will revoke that. Revoke that. That type of policies normally in real time, because security, right? Security concerns.
Why will we give that sequence that access to check something?
If you are in group policy, some sites will not be open. Some sites will not be open.
Limitations.
People will check the NSC India, BSc India sometimes, right? So in official laptop, they will open some different sites that firewall will restrict. So if you bypass that, all the sites will open. They can see movies also, right? Yeah, cricket, they will see sometimes cricket sites, right? That is why in real-time projects, policies will be created, group policies. So when they restart laptop, or else after 1 hour, after 2 hours also you can enable the policy without any restart the laptop. So group policy will modify that. Yeah, see, now it is affected. See here. Yeah, so these roles are attached to the user. These roles, whatever roles we added here, these roles are attached to the user. Now, I want to log in as a user. Currently, this is my admin user. I don't want to use admin user. I want to log in as a user, DevOps user. Yeah, I want to log in as a user. This is my login ID. Just copy this login ID. And how can we log in? Yeah, click on this, click on here, go down here, sign in with different account. Click on this. Now use another account. Click on this, paste here. Click on next. Password. Click on sign in. Now it is asking you to change the password. Current password. Yeah, now here, so Microsoft is having some additional security layers. they will not directly access. They will not directly allow you to access. So if you want to access using your IAM account, user account, you need to download one application. In that one, you have to scan one QR code. Then only it will be allowed. Okay, I'll show you that. Click on next here. If you want to access your console using IAM account, some restrictions are there. See here, Microsoft Authenticator is asking, right? Click on next. So set up your account. Click on next. See here, it is asking Microsoft Authenticator. Scan the QR code. So in your mobile, you will download one application. Using that, you can scan. Then only it will allow you to log into your account by using IAM account. But here, I don't want to. Now I want to skip this. Okay, what we have. Sorry. Real time. Yeah, real time. In real time only required. Here you can skip. You can skip here. You can skip here. I'll show you. OTP. Yes. Some project teams they set OTPs, right? Now. Yeah, see here. So click on this. Now, here there is a option which is a skip now. Skip for now. If you skip now, it will allow you to log in, right? So click on skip for now. When you skip on this, it will allow you to log in. See here. So DevOps user 1. Now I'm able to log in my console. So without any QR code, without any scanning QR code, it is allowing me to log into the console. Right. So this is the way we can access using IAM account in real-time projects. Okay. So in Azure we have Active Directory. In that Active Directory only, so we have to create the users and we can provide the roles, different roles you can assign to the users, right? So you can switch to the users, right? So any questions, anyone? Is it clear to you? IAM we discussed 2 times in AWS and GCP, right? Yeah, IAM account, bucket storages, these are all very important. So in Azure, most of the time, what we will do, we create VMs. We create snapshots. So number of times daily activities in Azure, you get VMs and snapshots most of the time. Sometimes we work on different storage services, right? And networking like VNets. Azure is very user friendly. You can navigate like Windows. Right? Yeah. So with this, we have done all the infra services, right? Yeah. Snapshot. We have some doubt. Snapshots. Okay. This is the what is your do? Oh, not described. Okay. Yeah, snapshot. Yeah, we can cover snapshot also. So, what is snapshot? Anyone?
Copy and
It is one of the backup copy, or else gets a one replica. Why we require snapshots in real-time projects?
To save space.
To reduce the space, to save the space, or else while deploying the code, so project team asks you to take one snapshot, right? So why we require snapshot? If any deployment is failed, we have to revert back to original state. That is why we require snapshots here, right? Yeah. So to create snapshot, so just search here snapshots. If any available snapshots, like already created snapshots are there, so here it will show you. So name of the snapshot, source disk, snapshot type, time created, source, addresses group, location, subscription. Will show you all the information here, right? Yeah. Now I want to create one snapshot here. Click on create snapshot. See here, subscription default it will be selected. Resource group, you can select your resource group, right? So name of the snapshot, you can give snapshot one, right? And region, default region you can select. Snapshot type, full or incremental. Incremental means latest changes, right? Full means full snapshot. Source type, disk, right? So here source subscription, you can select here subscription, and source disk you have to choose here disk, whatever disk you have, right? And storage type, so zone redundant or else, yeah, different zone or LRS you can select here. Click on next, encryption, networking, tags, and create. This is one way to create this snapshot. Another way also there. I'll show you that second way, another way. Go back here. Yeah. Before that, I want to create one. I want to create one VM first. Okay. Click on virtual machine. Create virtual machine. VM01. Region availability zone standard. So while creating VM, you can select basic mission, and here whatever flavor you want to select, you can select. Now password. Selected ports, you can select here. Click on next. Disable monitoring.
Ram,
Yeah. Yes.
what is express route? Express route?
Where you found that?
Yeah, I have seen in our syllabus with regards to VNet, VNet to VNet.
Okay.
There's
Okay. While creating VNet, one option is there. Express route means if you want to route any traffic, one option, checkbox, that's it. One option. If you want to route the traffic. Okay. Yeah. So here VM is created here. Refreshes. So while creating VNets, you can check that express route is a option. So to route the traffic. So here, this is the VM, right? So now, so what we will do? So by using this VM disk also, you can create the snapshots. So for snapshots only, I created this VM, right? So click on disks, click on disk. This is the disk. This is the disk, right? Click on disk. So here, create snapshot. So open the VM virtual machine, click on the VM disks and click on disk here, whatever disk is available, click on disk. Yeah, on top of that, you can take the snapshot. So click on create snapshot, snapshot name, full or incremental, and the source disk. Yeah, source type disk is selected already, right? Source subscription and source disk, security type, right? So go next. Yeah, create the snapshot. So this is another way, second way to create the snapshots. So normally in real-time projects, what we will do while performing any activity, any deployment activities, they request us to take the snapshots by the time. So either we can click on the disk and create the snapshot, or else directly can go to the snapshots and go next, select your disk and take the snapshots. Whenever they require any snapshots, whenever they want to revert back, by the time you can revert the snapshot using using snapshot, you can revert to original state. Fine. Yeah, this is another way, second way. So here on VM itself, you can take the snapshot. Fine. Yeah. Fine. So tomorrow we'll start general sessions. Tomorrow we'll work on ticketing tool and the leave management system and time card entries. Okay, and also roles and responsibilities. We discuss tomorrow. And the day after, tomorrow Friday, right? So day after Saturday, we work on first project, CSCD. Same 8 o'clock. Yes, 8 o'clock. We
Hello.
connect. Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
I have a doubt regarding Kubernetes. Can I call you in afternoon?
Who is this? Yeah, you can tell me what is the issue. Kubernetes, what is the
Hello.
issue? Yeah, you can tell me now. You can tell now. What is the issue? Yeah,
Okay,
what
I
is the
will
issue?
put you.
What is the issue you're facing? Yeah, tell me your issue. Whatever issue you're facing, what is the issue you're facing?
Actually, it is not regarding our uh, what
Hmm.
you teach. It is regarding our project.
Hmm.
I just your help too.
I could not understand. Your voice is not audible. So this is not related to our syllabus. This is out of the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Out of the syllabus, how can we? Yeah, what are the issue? What are the issue you are facing? Just tell me.
I just want your suggestion. That's all. So can I call you in the afternoon?
Okay, you can call after 1 o'clock. You can call.
Okay.
So once you practice, you can delete the resources. Otherwise, some charges will be applied. Okay. So Azure will charge more billing. Actually, I got so many times. This billing I got so many times. So once you practice VNets and VM interfaces, you can delete immediately. So otherwise, charges will be applied. It is not like AWS. Fine. Yeah. So we stop here. Tomorrow we'll work on general session like ticketing tool, leave management system, different concepts, right? And Saturday we work on first project. Okay. And Monday, Tuesday we cover 2 more projects. CSC, yes. CSC. So everyone available, right? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Saturday.
Day after tomorrow, Saturday.
Yes.
Saturday. So you can join online. Saturday you can join online. Saturday I'll be not coming to institute here. Saturday you can join online. So first we work on first project, which is CSC, 8 to maybe 9:30 maximum. So our same timings. So maybe another extra 20-30 minutes extra. Fine. So Monday we work on migration project. So how can we migrate the VMs from one region to other region, one availability zone to other availability, right? And Tuesday we work on Kubernetes project. Wednesday we work on Python scripting. With that we are going to complete.
So April,
Fine.
Python 2 classes.
Yeah, only one class actually. So we'll see that. We'll see that. We'll see.
And Thursday it will be over.
Which one?
As per you, my next Friday will be over.
Next Wednesday actually cut off because we are taking Saturday also, right? So tomorrow I'll confirm. Saturday session tomorrow I'll confirm. So either Saturday or Monday, what we will do tomorrow I'll confirm. Okay. Fine. So we stop here. You can practice these concepts. Tomorrow we'll work on general session. Fine. Thank you all.
Thank you.